Hi, my name is Faith, and today I want to show you how to access data from the 2020 Decennial Census Supplemental Demographic and Housing Characteristics file, or SDHC, in data.census.gov. Supplementing the data available in Demographic and Housing Characteristics, or DHC product, the SDHC tables reflect especially complex relationships between characteristics about households and the people living in them. The SDHC data is available for the nation and states and combines characteristics about households and people, including the total population in households, average household size by age and tenure, average family size household and family type for people under 18 years old, and total population in households by tenure. Let's go to data.census.gov so I can show you how to find this data. Let's say I want to find the data available from the SDHC on the number of people who live in different types of households, such as married couple households or cohabiting couple households for Colorado. To start, we're going to go to data.census.gov and click on the Advanced Search button. This is found beneath the search bar on the landing page. I always like to select the geography first. So from the left side of the screen under Geographies, click on State and check the box next to Colorado. The next thing I want to do is to let the site know that I want data found in the 2020 SDHC. To do this, navigate down to Surveys, click on Decennial Census, and check the box next to the Supplemental Demographic and Housing Characteristics file. The last thing I want to do is let the site know that I want data for the population and households. To do this, navigate to Topics, click on Families and Living Arrangements, then Families and Household Characteristics, and check the box for the household size and type. Once these selections are made, click on the Search button in the lower right corner of the screen. You should get back a list of 11 tables. To view them, click on the Tables tab and change the number viewed to 25 using the View button right above the list. This will allow us to see all of the tables at once. The first table in the list are all for the average household size by age, so I want to scroll past those. The very last table, PH2, household type for the population and households, is exactly what I was looking for. From the top of the table, we can confirm that we are using the 2020 Supplemental Demographic and Housing Characteristics file, and the universe of this table is the population or number of people in households. The table includes 3 columns of data, one with the estimated count and the other 2 with the respective low and high 90% credible intervals. You can find out more about estimated counts and the low and high 90% credible intervals in the technical documentation provided in the link below. If you move to the right in the ribbon, you'll see the Notes button. The notes contain important information relevant to the table, including a link to the technical documentation. The Geos button allows you to add more geographies to your search. The Columns button can be used to hide or remove columns from the table. The Transpose button will transpose the table. If you either hide columns or transpose the table and decide that you no longer want to see those changes, you can use the Restore button to revert the table back to its original format. I hope this tutorial has helped in learning how to find data from the 2020 Supplemental Demographic and Housing Characteristics file. For more guidance on using our site, please visit our resources page at the link provided below. Thank you.